No stone is being left unturned by search and rescue teams to find the 22 missing people. Teams from the National Disaster Response Force are braving the rough weather to conduct a comprehensive search operation at the Savitri River. This is just outside of Mumbai. The Indian Navy, the Coast Guard as well as the Air Force have also deployed helicopters to help the rescue efforts. Here's a report.
A 50-foot bridge which stood the test of time for all these decades crumbled to bits in a matter of seconds on Tuesday night. In the dead of night, in the midst of a storm, the Savitri River raged on in full speed, sweeping with it 2 buses and 2 cars.
There were 2 parallel bridges running, across the Savitri River in Mahad in Maharashtra. Anyone who's driven from Mumbai to Goa, you've seen this bridge. You've actually driven over this bridge. It collapsed right at that point when there were a couple of buses on that particular bridge and some other vehicles. Now, the number that the Maharashtra government is putting out is about 22 people missing at this time, but that number could conceivably go up because there were 2 buses that have actually been swept away.
Hours later, reports trickled in of 22 people on board these buses missing.
यहाँ पे मैं खड़ा था और ऐसा ये बिल्डिंग जो है ये सॉरी बिल्डिंग बोला ये पुल जो है गिरा था उतना पानी छलांग मार दिया तो मुझे पता चल गया कि ब्रिज टूट गया है.
More than 24 hours have passed, but there is no clue about the missing people. The rescue teams from the NDRF and the Air Force are working overtime to find the people. Choppers have also been pressed into action.
ये एक बड़ा ऑपरेशन है और हमारी इसलिए हमने 4 टीम्स मंगाई हैं और हर टीम में कम से कम 40 लोग होते हैं. इसमें डीप डाइवर, स्विमर्स, बोट्स, तो वो सब लोग हमने यहाँ मंगा लिए हैं और हमारा रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन कम से कम 1 घंटे पहले से चल रहा है.
Meanwhile, Goa's transport ministers blame the engineers for the bridge collapse.
ये नेग्लिजेंस महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट का नहीं हो सकता है, डिपार्टमेंट का हो सकता है. That does not mean Maharashtra government. Why I should put to the Maharashtra government? It is a department mistake, engineer's mistake maybe.
Currently, we are in Mahad village on Mumbai-Goa highway. Behind us is the bridge over the Savitri River, which has washed away by the pressure of rains yesterday night at around 11:15 p.m. 22 people till now are missing and authorities will try to search for those people at this point of time due to heavy rains and choppy waters. The rescue operation is not being carried out well. With camera person Vaibhav Kandgutkar in Mahad, Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.